a big down day for stocks. Lots of sellers, more losses. Let's go right to Deborah Costrin at the New York Stock Exchange for the details. Deborah.
And, you know, Pim, we saw this selling globally, stocks globally dropping for a seventh day. And we saw that selling all day long, really never abating here in the U.S. session. And what we did see, at least for one point, the Dow was below 11,000. We managed to close above that level by the closing bell. And, of course, the reason for all the selling, a lot of concern that China will be raising interest rates, and they may need to raise those rates to control inflation. And in addition to that, there's still big concerns that the debt crisis in Ireland, Greece, and also Portugal is getting worse. And so one of the things that we did see, just a down market all the way around, Pim.
Now, Deborah, every area of the market really selling off today, but in particular energy and material stocks. Who's taking the biggest hit?
Yeah, you know, Pim, all this concern about China raising interest rates had an impact on all of the commodities and the raw materials, because the thinking is that this is going to reduce a lot of commodity demand because China is the biggest metals consumer. And that led to a lot of the selling in the corresponding stocks. You can see crude oil tumbled to a two-week low. And so what we saw in the stocks like Exxon, also Chevron taking a hit. And then if you take a look at the Reuters Jefferies Commodities Index, you can see a very steep decline in that index. And then what we saw in terms of stock performance, you saw stocks like Alcoa and Freeport-McMoRan also lower on the day. Pim, back to you.
Thank you very much, Deborah Costrin, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.